I'm Victor David.
And I'm Victor David from 2022.
Yeah, why exactly are you here, mate?
Well, in 2022, I made a major declaration about a ride we'd be doing in 2024, this massive challenge.
So how awesome would it be to have the ROC and Alzheimer's as our two main charities and do the complete circumference of the mainland UK for those charities, but visiting every single one of the ROC stations as we go around the coast.
And I just want to make sure you've not changed everything again, because you've kind of got a habit of doing that, haven't you?
That's not exactly fair, mate. I don't always change.
Alright, so you've not changed anything then for 2024, no?
Well, obviously I've had to make some, little changes. It's...
Alright, then let's go through it, shall we? Are we still raising money for the ROC?
Yeah, of course. It's their 200th anniversary. They're still funded by public donations. They do an incredible job, and I'd love to raise money for them, yeah.
Sweet. Alzheimer's Society.
Obviously. The whole reason I set ROC up was because my mum passed away from vascular dementia, and I just want to do my part to help find a cure and prevention and better treatment, so as long as I can, I'll be fundraising. Normally I put this to a vote, but this year I've decided to be power hungry, and I'm going to raise money for Mental Health Motorbike as well, because they're just amazing. So for the next charity run 2024, we'll have Mental Health Motorbike, the Royal National Lifeboat Institution, and Alzheimer Society. Happy with that?
Sweet. And we are still visiting every lifeboat station in the UK, right?
Dude, do you know how many there are?
Yeah, it's like 238.
Yeah, alright, show off. But that's a lot, alright? And on some runs, we've got like 3 or 4 stations we'd be visiting. And even if we stop for 15 minutes at each one, that's going to put like 2 hours onto our travel time.
Fair enough,
And
okay. But we're still riding the entire coast of mainland UK though, right?
No. It's a long way, dude. So the original plan was to ride the entire coast of mainland UK, which is about 5,000 miles. And we'd be visiting, well, not 238 because we weren't doing Ireland, but I haven't got the maths right now, but it's quite a lot of lifeboat stations. All of our riders pay their own way, so they pay their own fuel, their own food, their own accommodation. Everything comes out of their pocket, not the charity. So it's just too expensive to do, mate. So instead, what we're going to do is cut it in half. And we are going to ride from Hunstanton, starting at Hunstanton Lifeboat Station, travel along the coast in a southern trajectory, all the way across to finish somewhere in North Wales that's level with about Hunstanton. Along this route, we are going to visit 27 lifeboat stations, as well as hitting some major tourist spots such as Southwold, Margate, Brighton, Bognor Regis, Portsmouth, Bournemouth, Weymouth, Plymouth, Penzance, Weston-super-Mare, Swansea, and many others. For that reason, I am calling this tour the Show-Off Tour. If you've got a motorbike, you are welcome to ride with Riders of Charity. We are neither a fixed group or an MC. We are just people who come together for the love of riding and for the want of raising money for charity.
Hiya, I'm Victor David from 2024.
Dude, what's with the hat?
Yeah, well I hate to break it to you mate, that bald spot gets a lot worse, you shave it off dude. Enjoy it while you can mate. 2024, we are back in orange. It's our very first colours that we ever rode in, and it's the colour of the RNLI, so it makes sense. But you'll notice there's a bit of a gap here, okay? That's because as of yet we don't have any sponsors for 2024. Now all we ask for is a generous donation, and that gets you on our shirt. It gets your logo, your company name on our shirt. It also gets on a shout out on all of our live videos. It gets your logo on our YouTube videos. It gets your logo on our website, across all of our social media, and it gives you a really warm feeling inside. Alright? So if you're interested in sponsoring ROC, I'll tell you it looks great in all the videos when you get this sea of bikes. We had 15-20 bikes in the last one, all in yellow we were riding there, sorry, all in purple we were riding there. It just looks great. So come on, help us out, make a generous donation, get in contact with ridersofcharity.co.uk. So come on, let's do something amazing in 2024 and in 2025 when we do the northern bit of the loop to complete the around the coast jigsaw puzzle. In 2024 we are going to do an amazing journey, so be a part of it. Anyone can join ROC.
All we ask for is that you're a decent human being, you've got some skill in riding a motorbike, and that you help us to fundraise as much as we can, and to highlight and promote the charities that we are fundraising for. You haven't got to ride the entire thing. That's what a whole hogger does. You can ride a little bit of it, and that'll make you a mini hogger. You can ride 2 or 3 days and be a multi-legger, or you can just join in for an individual leg and be a day tripper. The important thing is you get involved, we do something awesome, we raise money for awesome charities, and we make an awesome memory together. So what are you waiting for? Let's get riding. Anything else you want to add, big man?
Did you just call yourself big man?
Bit weird, dude. But no, that's it. Thank you to everyone who supported us this year, that's ridden with us this year, that shares, likes our posts.
That's it.
Let's look forward to an amazing ride in 2024 and an amazing ride in 2025. Who's doing it, me or you? Go on in, you do the first bit. Stay safe, stay awesome,
And above all else,
be excellent to each other.
yeah.
1, 2, 3, rock
Rocker
out.
out.